Today is International Day of Friendship. This is Lego, who's clearly not impressed. Look what his tail's doing. Anyway, I'm making something special today for a very dear friend who's been with me through thick and thin. She's the most amazing friend. I think it's probably must be about 4 years, something like that. We've been friends, and she's been by my side from across the pond via the internet for, it seems like, forever. Julia's Crafty Chaos. This one's for you. Now, this is part of the International Day of Friendship collaboration that we've organised through Crafty YouTubers United. Oh, there he goes. And there are a lot of amazing crafters taking part. So please do have a look for the link down in my video description below. It'll also pop up here at the end of the video because you will want to see the rest of the playlist. There's some amazing work gone into this. So take care, everyone, and enjoy our Crafty Friendship videos. So I'm in the design space for my XTool, and as you can probably see, I'm making a flower press. Now I have the template here, and it's got my name at the top. So obviously I'm trying to type this one-handed. There you go. It now says Julia's Flowers. Oh, I spelled Julia wrong. There you go. Oh dear. Right, now I need to centre that. So let's go whoopie doopie doopie doo. Make sure everything's centred. Align. Horizontal align centre. Doink. And that is ready. I'll take you out to the XTool next, and we'll be cutting away. It's just the XTool S1, 10 watt. And I've got a few laser cutters on the go. I think this one's probably the easiest to use. It's amazing. Right. There we go. So we've got a front piece and a back piece, and then a couple of reinforcing pieces to go in between. Now the bolts are quite long, so we could have, let's make sure they fit first. The bolts are quite long, so they should, yeah, we can have a good lot of layers in between there. You can, of course, just cut extra bits of like corrugated card to go in between if you want. But what we do need, of course, is blotting paper, so we can use one of these as a template. Well, this is proper blotting paper. It's ideal for drying flowers. This is a particularly fine one. Now, I think for the next batch, I will get probably thicker blotting paper than this because this feels strange. Now, I should be able to get 2 sheets out of each of these. So let's fold them in half. Yep, then of course we've got to cut the corners off. So, there's our little template. So there we go, we can put 2 there. 2 there. But yeah, I think I might try and get some thicker blotting paper for the next incarnation of this, just to give more cushioning to the little flowers. There we go. And just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put a few extra sheets in as well. There's a spare 4. But of course you can put, those rods are long enough to get quite a lot if you want. So you could use the little wooden pieces as templates, these inserts, to make just corrugated card layers too, if you wanted. There we are. And you can put 2 or 3 layers in between each as well. if you want to. And then all we do is we go. I think what I will do with these actually is put 2 extra pieces of the wood in so that you can expand it. Yeah, I'll do that because then you can have a lot more layers, even though it's dinky, which I wanted it to be little mini flower press. I think it will pay to put some spare paper in with it, and there we are. Some spare paper in with it and an extra couple of the dividers. So I'm going to go and cut another couple of dividers. There we go. So I think those extra layers are going to be needed. There we go. Oops. So we put that in there. I haven't cut these as accurately. There's a few extra sheets. Actually, let's pop those in there. So you could put 2 sheets in each layer quite easily, couldn't you? Here we are. Julia, I hope you like it. Thank you so much for being my friend. Happy International Day of Friendship, everyone. Now I'm dying to see if Julia decides to colour the little flowers in. Because I think I'd be tempted to. But yeah, look, I could have cut that more accurately. I've got a bit of an overhang, but never mind. So this is the prototype. Julia, you are the proud possessor of my prototype. So this is ready to go. I'm just going to screw these nuts on. Julia, I hope you like it. Thank you so much for being such an amazing friend for all these years. Friendships are important, and it's easy to see when it's a real one or when it's somebody. Yeah, I won't go there. Anyway, this is for Julia. Hope you like it, Julia. I look forward to seeing it in use, and I can't wait to see if you get the urge to colour these flowers in, because I think I probably would. This little flower press will be in store shortly. This is the prototype that I've made for Julia. So I hope she likes it, and I'll see you for the next video. Now don't forget, there's a whole playlist for International Day of Friendship. The link will be appearing up here shortly. Go and enjoy. There's some great artists doing all sorts of different projects. I just said to them, whatever friendship means to you. So happy Friendship Day, everyone. Bye.